Villa Patio is located on a gently sloping site on the island of Minorca, Spain. The plot offers excellent views of the Mediterranean Sea, but unfortunately, it also faces a 10-story hotel, a remnant from a time when integration with the landscape was less appreciated. Due to this visual obstacle and the proximity to a neighboring house, the views were carefully directed in specific orientations. As a result, the house alternates between solid and glazed walls that frame the landscape while hiding the hotel and creating privacy from nearby buildings. Positioned at the top of a hill, the house enjoys sweeping views, but is also exposed to strong northern winds. To address issues such as sun orientation, conflicting views, and wind protection, the architects at Nomo Studio adopted an isotropic geometry, a pentagon. The house was rotated so that all rooms could enjoy sea views while avoiding the hotel. A square was carved out from the center of the pentagon to allow more natural light into the house and create interesting visual connections. This void became a south-facing patio protected from the northern winds. 3 sides of the patio are enclosed by large sliding glass doors that establish a visual and physical connection between opposite areas of the garden, allowing the sea to be seen straight through the ground floor. The 4th wall of the patio was removed, forming a north-south axis of interconnected outdoor spaces: terrace, dining, patio, pool area. 2 sliding windows frame the indoor/outdoor dining space and allow flexible control of natural ventilation and wind protection. The rear facade of the house follows a different architectural language, with smaller square windows aligned flush with the wall, evoking a more domestic scale. The facade finishes reference local fishermen's architecture, with whitewashed walls and navy blue or deep green shutters. Still, the large pastel turquoise aluminum sliding panels give the composition a distinctly contemporary character. From autumn to spring, the patio captures solar heat, creating a warm and inviting environment. In summer, the same space can be shaded and transformed into a large porch with a gentle breeze thanks to efficient cross ventilation. Inside, a combination of light colors and high ceilings with varying slopes reflects and enhances the abundant natural light coming through the generous openings. Large sliding glass panels and continuous white marble floors blur the boundaries between indoor and outdoor spaces. The use of the same local marble throughout the house, including in the bathrooms, kitchen walls, and staircase, gives the interiors a fresh and cohesive look. Only a few elements, such as the pool, staircase railing, or kitchen cabinetry, break the all-white palette with small turquoise details that echo the exterior shutters. The rough textured plaster of the exterior walls contrasts with the inclined window frames, where a smooth finish enhances the sharp outlines of the sloping roofs. Perforated metal shutters block the sun during the day and protect the house when it's closed off season. Highly insulated walls and a carefully designed natural cross ventilation system ensure the house functions without energy use throughout the year. The perforated sliding shutters regulate solar gain according to the season and time of day, significantly reducing the need for heating in winter and cooling in summer. Heating, cooling, and hot water are generated by an energy-efficient heat exchanger, while distributed AC units allow each room to be temperature-controlled independently.